Now, it is a common practice in the code reporting industry to schedule a videotape deposition as two separate jobs on the calendar. Now, this allows you to cancel one job without canceling the other, and to bill video charges on a separate invoice by an outside vendor. Now, in RBA, you can create a video job as a linked job to the depo job. So if the depo is canceled or rescheduled, then you will be alerted by the system, because linked jobs are like twins. If something happens to one, the other one will know about it. So let's look at an example. So I'm going to create a job quickly here. Let's say today Young Lee's office is calling. So I'm going to go pull up Young Lee, the attorney. Then the secretary Sandra is on the phone. She wanted to schedule a depo for 23rd Friday, starting 9 o'clock in the morning. On the case of Merck, one of those Merck cases. So let's pull up all the, let's say Baker versus Merck is the case she's calling me about. And the job's going to be at her office. Okay. Now, once I save this job, so if this is going to be a video, and you are going to set up a video as a separate job, then simply save this job and job number 11623, and go to Actions and pull up a function called Create Linked Job. And what this will do, simply it'll copy that job and it'll give you another job, new job number, and the linked job field will now have the previous depo job. At this time, what you need to change is, obviously I need to change the job type to something like video, and possibly my business unit, because I might have a different revenue center who handles the video job. That's it. Everything else will stay exactly the same as the original depo job, and you will simply save and close. Now let's say I'm confirming a job for tomorrow, which is 23rd of March, and I was calling Sandra to confirm this particular job on the Baker versus Merck case. And the Sandra says, yes, the depo is confirmed. So I go confirm, and I say confirmed by Sandra, and I'll usually always put the full name in there, okay. Now when you do that, because there is a linked job, and now RB will alert me saying there are linked jobs, do you want to view them? And you will simply say yes, and this will go ahead and pull up the video job. And then you will ask Sandra, oh, by the way, Sandra, I noticed that video is also scheduled. Is the video going or not? And then you can either confirm or cancel the linked job. And that's how the linked job works. A lot of times the questions come up asking whether you can have multiple linked jobs. That is, that you can have more than one job linked. The answer is no. In this current version of RB8, we have limited the linked jobs to be only two. So as the diagram shows you, it is a circular fashion where it's pointing to each other. So depo points to video and video points right back to depo. So you cannot have depo and then video and then third linked job such as video conferencing at this time. So you are limited to two jobs. They're pointing to each other.